Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a pocket to a pocketless skirt. Adding pockets not only makes your garments more functional, but also adds a unique touch to your outfit. Today, I'll demonstrate how to add a simple side pocket. Let's get started. For a standard pocket, we'll cut a piece that's approximately 6 inches wide and 8 inches high. Adjust this size based on your hand size and preference. Take your fabric and measure out 2 pocket pieces per side. Cut them out carefully. Fold down the top edge of each pocket piece, about ½ inch. Iron the fold for a crisp finish. Decide where you want to place your pocket on the skirt. Sew the skirt with a straight stitch, reinforcing both side edges. Like this. Pin the pocket in place. Ensuring it's aligned properly. Now, sew the pocket to the skirt with a straight stitch. Sew. And there you have it. You've just added a pocket to your skirt. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Goodbye.